Ever pondered what happens when a president cancels official events due to an unexpected emergency? This scenario occurred on Thursday, the 2nd of May, when President Emerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe was compelled to abort 2 significant engagements because of an unspecified emergency. The day was supposed to be filled with grandeur and official duties, starting with the swearing-in of the newly appointed deputy ministers at State House. Mnangagwa Otya Coup, the designate for national housing and social amenities, and Hedman Moyo, the designate for veterans of the liberation struggle affairs, were ready to take their oaths. However, the president's sudden absence left the ceremony hanging, but the day's disruptions didn't stop there. President Mnangagwa was also scheduled to grace the groundbreaking ceremony of West Props Hills Golf Estate in Mabelrine, Harare. The president's chair remained vacant as the day unfolded, his presence missed at the major event he was supposed to officiate. National Housing and Social Amenities Minister James Soda took the podium at the groundbreaking ceremony. He announced that the event had been postponed at the state level due to the president's emergency, but could continue as a private event. The president, he revealed, had to attend to an emergency out of town, and his return was uncertain. So to recap, President Mnangagwa canceled 2 key events: the swearing-in of 2 deputy ministers and a groundbreaking ceremony due to an unspecified emergency. This sudden change in schedule not only disrupted the day's events, but also left the audience in suspense over the nature of the emergency that warranted such drastic measures. The implications of these cancellations are manifold. For one, they underline the unpredictable nature of leadership and the need for contingency plans. They also underscore the importance of a leader's presence in boosting morale and lending weight to events. Lastly, they remind us that even in the highest echelons of power, unforeseen circumstances can arise, requiring swift decisions and adaptability. So, next time you consider the intricacies of leadership, remember this day when official events were postponed due to a sudden, unspecified emergency. It is a testament to the fact that leaders, despite their status, are not immune to unforeseen circumstances and must navigate their duties amidst the unpredictable tides of life.